All right. So on this Saturday over here, November 8th, we got a bunch of games and we're going to go right through all of them. So we're going to take Arkansas State plus the 4.5 against Southern Miss. We're going to take BYU plus 10.5 against Texas Tech. We're going to take Marshall plus 13.5 against James Madison. We're going to take SMU minus 10.5 against BC. We're going to take Temple plus 7 against Army. Take West Virginia minus the 6.5 against Colorado. Take Indiana minus the 14.5 against Penn State. We take Georgia minus the 9.5 against Mississippi State. We're going to take Purdue. Ohio State should roll them, go Bucks, but 30 points on a game, meaningless. We'll go with Purdue in the 30 against Ohio State. We'll take Liberty minus the 8 against Missouri State. Like Eastern Michigan minus the 2.5 against Bowling Green. Like UAB plus the 12 against Rice. Like Rutgers minus the 2.5 against Maryland. Like Florida International minus 1 against Middle Tennessee State. Like Florida Atlantic minus the 3.5 against Tulsa. We like Charlotte plus the 28.5 against East Carolina. Like Louisiana Tech minus the 6.5 against Delaware. Like Syracuse plus the 28.5 against Miami. We love Iowa plus the 6 against Oregon. Bye-bye, Oregon. Just letting you guys know. Texas A&M minus the 7 against Mizzou. Like TCU minus the 7.5 against Iowa State. Like Kansas plus the 5 against Arizona. Like Georgia Southern plus the 7.5 against Coastal Carolina. We like Kennesaw State minus the 9.5 against New Mexico State. We like Auburn plus the 6.5 against Vanderbilt. Upset. We like Wisconsin plus the 11 against Washington. Very close game. You like North Carolina minus the 7.5 against Stanford. Like Texas State minus the 3 against Lafayette. Air Force plus the 5.5 against San Jose State. Like Virginia minus the 6.5 against Wake Forest. We like Clemson minus the 1.5 to just thrash Florida State. We love Cal plus the 18.5 today. So I'll go with Cal in that game. We like LSU to battle Alabama, so take the 10.5. The Irish blowout Navy minus the 27.5. We like Florida minus 3 against Kentucky. Nevada plus the 9.5 against Utah State. And then we got Nebraska minus 1 against UCLA. UNLV minus the 4.5 against Colorado State. We got Sam Houston plus the 20.5 against Oregon State. And we rounded out with San Diego State minus the 7 against Hawaii. See our short video for the games that we're going to play. But that's all the games today. Again, subscribe, and let's roll.